Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The smart lock offers both security and flexibility, letting you control access to your home with your phone. And installation is easier than you think. In this video, you will see 5 best smart locks based on installation, security, features, and smart home compatibility. Let's get started. This is Securam Touch Fingerprint Smart High Security Electronic Deadbolt. For unlocking, it has one-touch access using radio frequency fingerprint authentication, code access, remote control through iPhone or Android Securam app, but Securam Smart Hub required for remote features. While at home or going away, you can do local and remote setup, for status notifications and privacy mode. Means, at home or away, alone or with guests, you can stay in control of what's happening. It comes with 30-user setup, wireless connection, integrated sensor, anti-smudge surface, backlit touchpad, spy-proof code entry option. It is very durable with water and heat resistant, emergency 9-volt jumper, rugged aluminium construction. Moreover, this smart lock is compatible with Alexa or one-touch access, also keeps history log, visitor and one-time use access code in situations like maintenance tech visit, and last but not least its automatic relock option. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. Kwikset Premis is a touchscreen smart lock that works with Apple HomeKit. It is a one-touch locking motorized deadbolt. You can enter your home with the convenience of keyless entry using Siri voice commands, the Premis app, or with your personalized code. It features patented secure screen technology to prevent code detection from fingerprints on the touchscreen. Premis is easy to install, program and use, and operates on 4 AA batteries. Premis and the Premis app, available for free download from the App Store, and are only compatible with HomeKit iOS 9.3 or later on iPhone and iPad compatible versions. The complete list of devices provided on the link in the description. To control your Premis smart lock remotely, you need Apple TV 3rd generation and above. It also works with Apple HomePod. You can set up automation and user permissions remotely on compatible Apple devices. See the complete list on the link provided in the description. Unfortunately, at the moment in June 2020, Premis is not compatible with Android devices. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock 4th generation, an August app allows you to remotely lock or unlock your door, check door status, grant virtual guest keys, and always know who's coming and going. Connected out of the box with built-in Wi-Fi, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is easy to install, and attaches to your existing deadbolt, so you can keep your original keys. Its Door Sense feature allows you to know if your door is open, closed, locked, and unlocked with the activity feed. And you can see who comes and goes with the activity feed. Create smart notifications for when a select person comes home. Pair the Wi-Fi smart lock with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. Also, it works with your smartwatch, and of course phone as well. Lock and unlock your door with a simple tap. With the guest key option, grant access to friends, family, or services. Guest access can be limited to a few minutes, hours, or days with recurring or a single occurrence. With auto lock and unlock feature, you will never have fumble around for your keys, or worry if remember to lock the door. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Lockily Keyless Entry Smart Lock. Lock and unlock your door with one finger tap on your smartphones with Bluetooth, or by entering a 6 to 8-digit access code on the touchscreen keypad. This door lock also comes with 2 backup physical keys in case you ever need it. Secured keyless access convenience for your offices, home, or rental properties. The unique algorithm reshuffles the number combination after each use, and prevents others from copying your smart code, keeping your home safe. Touchscreen keypad will be disabled after 3 wrong attempts, and can only be activated by entering the right code twice. Auto lock and one-touch locking system provide enhanced security when you are at home or out. Each family member could get their own smart code for keyless entry. Pin Genie is designed to make home security a top priority, and to give you peace of mind. Track as soon as your kids or family members are home. Grant access to guests and others by sharing e-keys with unique schedules using the free Pin Genie Smart Lock app. Works on both iOS and Android devices. This security lock will track unlock history by each user 24/7, and stores in the app for your review. Push notifications will be sent to you once your friends or guests check in, which means you will know exactly who and when people are entering your business or properties. While using the virtual keys, there is no need for you to asking back the physical keys from guests or renters. You can open your front door with a 9 volts battery on the instant battery charging terminal if you forget to replace the dead batteries. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Kwikset Aura Bluetooth Programmable Keypad Door Lock Deadbolt. Lock and unlock your front door lock from your smartphone using the Kwikset app within Bluetooth range of the lock. Keyless entry convenience at your fingertips with up to 250 programmable unique custom user codes for anytime, one time, or specific days and times. When in Bluetooth range, you can create, temporarily disable, and delete user codes from your smartphone, and set schedules for customer user codes. Receive notifications of the lock's activity, or view the lock's event history on your smartphone using the Kwikset app within Bluetooth range of the Aura door lock. Aura is easy to install and operates on 4 AA batteries. This single-cylinder deadbolt can be locked or unlocked by using the keypad, or key from the outside as well as the turn button from the inside. The crisp, clean appearance of the satin nickel finish adds to the overall look of the product, and brings a modern feel. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.